Aditya.
Can you try this step? What is making?
Rishitej.
Can you try this step? Anyone?
Rishitej.
They will going to fall down if they try this step because the angle what is maintained. Yeah.
Sir, Hemant.
If at all you want to practice this step, okay, definitely they will going to fall down because that lean angle we cannot balance. So Michael Jackson also has his patents. What kind of technology he has in order to make that step?
Shoes.
So that which will going. So the thing is, you are not going to do this step anywhere in the stage. There will be particular locations. Okay, on that location only you will going to do because you will going to lock the shoes in the groove what is provided in the stage so that he can bend. So that no one can do this dance without his permission because he has to get the permission to use the shoes. Then only someone can make it. So like this, Michael Jackson has 12 number of patents in his own name. This is the shoes what he has a patent. Where he is going to have in the sole he has a groove. So this groove will going to fit into the stage where the projection is provided. Right? So you are going to fit that and you are going to fit.
Michael Jackson.
So like this, in order to be a patent owner, you need not to be a great inventor. Only the thing is, you should find a problem as a problem and give small solutions. And this actually Tuesday I was visited one similar user means one of the software in mechanical where we do analysis. Okay. There I found one of the presenter. I just taken the slide from him. Okay. He has one of the engineer. He graduated from Bengaluru. Okay. He started his own startup company. See, he just checked. He has seen the number of problems. So what are these problems are? Right. Whenever this Swiggy person you are watching, like Zomato or even Amazon, so they are taking their products in a very large container, right? And it's not comfortable to them also. Sometimes it may come, rain may come, right? And also from morning to evening, in order to hold that larger bags that Amazon people, it's very difficult to them, right? And also it's not safe also, right? So what they thought is, he can do something such a way that cargo means he can store n number of components, and also it will be refrigerated, heated, whatever means he can provide depending upon the requirement. You can convert this compartment. For example, if you want to deliver only the frozen items, okay, you can convert it to a refrigerator. If you want to deliver only the Swiggy items which should be very hot after cooking, okay, you can convert to the oven or like a heater, okay, or like a hot box. Okay. And in order to deliver some letters or whatever, okay, you can provide the compartments. Outside box is unique and inside technology can change. So this is patented in all the countries and is started out. Okay, in 3 months testing is going on because it's completely electric vehicle and there are n number of tests should be taken place before validating the vehicle. So in 3 months it will be on the roads. So you will also being in our normal persons, you will be watching all these things, but you never think of that what solutions can be given. So the thing is, in order to be a entrepreneur, okay, if you want to be a startup owner, always look into problems. So whenever you look into problems, you will going to analyze those problems, and definitely you are going to find unique solutions where you can be easily converted into a entrepreneurs, okay, which is required now for India, right? Otherwise, you will be working for some IT companies where the US is making money. Why all IT companies are coming to India? Cheap labor, right? The thing is, they are outsourcing the software. For example, Apple, whenever you use the Apple phone, you are paying in the maximum amount to the software. Again, the software is developed by us, right? And it is patented by US. And again, that software will be installed in the mobile. Again, we are purchasing and we are getting them a lot of money, right? So, if you want to continue our Indian economy in a great way is all engineers should work to become an entrepreneur rather than working as an individual for some MNC companies.